This video tutorial I will cover how to inject the array of string using Spring Dependency Injection by Constructor. Here I have defined the class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and fruits array. Fruits array is a string array, and it has fruit shop constructor which accept shop name and fruits array. And it has display fruit shop info method. This is the Spring configuration file. Here we have specified using constructor dependency injection, Spring container should create fruit shop object, and shop name of the fruit shop object should be set as fruit mart, and fruits array should contains apple, pineapple and orange. Constructor argument which invokes the constructor. In this case, this constructor will be invoked by Spring container, and shop name will be set as fruit mart, and fruits array will be set as apple, pineapple and orange. This array element is used to define the array. What object to instantiate, what object to configure and how to configure. These information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example we have specified using constructor dependency injection, fruit shop object should be created by Spring container, and shop name of fruit shop object should be set as fruit mart, and fruits array should contain apple, pineapple and orange. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and creates a fruit shop object, configure the fruit shop object and manage the complete life cycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output. This constructor has been called by the Spring container, and fruit shop name is set as fruit mart, and fruits array contains apple, pineapple and orange.